So hey guys, welcome back to Wood Heat Wednesday. This is a video I've been pretty excited about. It's been a long time coming and we finally get announced the winner of the LogOx 3-in-1 Forestry Package. Really can't say enough positive things about the tool as well as the company itself. Can really be a great addition to your wood cutting kit, and it's just a tremendous back saver and really makes the job a whole lot easier. We do have a little bit of extra bonus to go along with this video today, so I'll let Austin from LogOx share the great news.
Hey everyone, I'm Austin Roberts, co-founder of the LogOx, and on behalf of our small family business, I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who's participated in this last giveaway, and to Eric at Life in Farmland. And I'd also like to congratulate him on his product review video, the LogOx, he did back in November, which has hit over 500,000 views on YouTube. So congrats. Reading through the comments section here has been incredible and a humbling experience just to see how many people really that our tool would benefit. So what we'd like to do to say thanks is just to expand this contest a little bit, okay? We're going to give away a second place prize, which is a LogOx 3-in-1 Forestry multi-tool, and then a third place prize, which is going to be the LogOx hauler, okay? So in just a minute, Eric is going to read the lucky winners. We really appreciate everybody again, and look forward to seeing who the winner is. Thanks.
So like I mentioned, I'm really excited about this. Can't thank LogOx enough for making this possible. And now that we have 2 additional items to give away with this giveaway, this is awesome. So what we'll do is we'll draw the third place winner first, then we'll select the second place, and then we'll announce the grand winner of the forestry package. Really the difference between all 3 of these packages, third place winner is the log hauler. This is what all 3 packages are based on. This is a tool that allows you to easily pick up logs, splits, without having to bend over. It also allows you to easily roll logs over. And to be honest, most of the time when I'm out here cutting ash trees 16, 18 inches across, this tool works fantastic. Sometimes I get in some bigger stuff, it's a little bit nicer to have some leverage. But the nice part about just having this tool is they do sell a lot of the stuff modular, so if you ever wanted to go on and add, you know, the extension handle or some of these other items that are included in some of these packages, you can always buy these things very modular. The second place prize here is the 3-in-1 package. This has the extension handle, so it gives you a little extra leverage, and it also has the timber jack function, which allows you to lift that log up and off the ground. Austin shared a great tip with me the other day that I had overlooked, and I thought I would share along with you guys. Basically, like I mentioned, the timber jack allows you to lift that log up. You can cut all the way through, keeping your chain out of the dirt, and then as you get to the other side of the tool, you do half cuts on those, then you roll that log back over, and in that, naturally the log wants to roll, and all you have to do is just do your upward cuts to finish your cut. So I thought that was a pretty neat little tip. And then the grand prize of everything here, the forestry package. This is all 3, you know, the 3-in-1 tools as well as a couple little extra items in there. It has the picaroon head in there. It also has the handle that can sit on your hip to hold the log hauler itself, so really nice when working around the splitter. Has a nice little bag for everything to fit in, tucks behind your truck seat really nice, and everything's just all within arm's reach when it comes time to grab your saw and your safety equipment. And on top of that, a lot of times you can get, you know, your chainsaw chaps into that bag and hearing protection as well. So helps you keep things organized and all within a simple grab. So I'd like to wish everybody luck. Let's get into picking the winner. Alright, so what I'm using is just a random comment picker that I found online here. It looks like it does a little bit of filtration for duplicate users. I've seen some other people use this as well, so hopefully this is a pretty good tool. What we'll do is we'll paste the URL into this, and we'll click search. And it looks like there's 380 unique comments currently right now. So what we'll do is we will first pick our third place winner here for the log hauler. Looks like Happy Vegan. Me and my hubby just got home and would cook. Awesome. This will be fantastic, especially you guys cooking with wood. I love to hear that. So let's see who our next winner will be here. This is for the second place prize here. Looks like Anders Jorgensen. Hopefully I pronounced that right. You give good work. Looks like they cut 15 to 20 cords a year. Wow, that's a lot of wood. If that's full cords, 128 cubic feet. Congratulations, the second place winner here. And let's pick the grand prize winner. Let's see who this lucky one will be. for the full 3-in-1 forestry package. Every bell and whistle. Looks like Derek Peak. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Oh, I'm sure I didn't. LogOx Holler. Oh, look at that. You guys got a Deka wood furnace too. That's manufactured right here in Minnesota. Pretty decent stove. Gets ragged down a little bit, but unfortunately they don't make them anymore. So congratulations. So congratulations to the winners. In order to claim your prize, I would really like you to get in contact with me. Send me your address, where you want the item sent to, and then I will supply that over to LogOx, and they'll get those items sent out right away. I'd personally prefer if you contacted me directly on YouTube. So if you go to the main Life in Farmland page and you click on the About tab, there should be an option there to get in contact with me. And the main reason I'm really hoping to get in communication over YouTube is just a little bit easier for me to verify that it's actually the winner that is supplying the address here. If you're having a little bit of problems with that, down in the description of every video, I always have my email address down there. Shoot me an email. Let me know you're having a little bit of trouble and we can figure something out. For all you other guys that didn't win, maybe there's something down the road we can figure out. So can't thank all you guys enough for taking the time to leave a comment. All you guys that show up every week to watch these videos, it really makes the effort that goes into making these videos really well worth it. So thank you to all you guys. And a special thank you to LogOx for making this possible and help supporting the Life in Farmland community as well as just the woodcutting community. Definitely 2 thumbs up on the work that those guys are doing over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Congratulations to the winners, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.